All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to assign a vocabulary quiz that you can take anytime this weekend. How do I assign one when I'm not there? It's a good question. It's not going to be a regular vocab quiz. Obviously, I'm going to make it a participation grade. So what I'd like you to do, okay, is kind of like old school, what we've been doing all year, right? Just kind of take your Google document and um, just number 1 through 20. Write the words in and put your notes away and take, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, whatever you're comfortable with. Do your best to write down the definition of the word. And then before you submit, take out your notes and see what you had wrong. If you had something wrong, fix it and then submit it. So I would like you to take it without cheating, without looking at your words, because I want you to know what you know. I want you to study, and I want you to see how well you did. And I'd actually like you to give me that grade. Tell me, hey, Kaleo, I got 100 because I really learned them, and that's awesome. Or I got a 90. Let me know. But in the end, I'm giving everybody 100 if you just take the quiz, right? So it's really more of a practice. I want you to keep learning, even though we're not really together and doing the regular routine. So I'm calling it a vocab quiz, but in the end, what is it? It's kind of like a practice exercise. I mean, that's kind of like, but you can still have pride if you do a good job, feel good about yourself, right? You knocked it out. In addition to that, you just want to make sure that you handed in your Unit 8 sentences as well. Just submit those on Classroom, and you're looking at two awesome grades. All right? So I just wanted to let you know I'm going to be posting that probably today, and you can take that anytime this coming weekend or whenever you want. All right? And we'll make a pretty easy grade out of it, but hopefully you'll learn some words. All right. Thanks, people.